Hey tribe, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. You see this hair? Yes, I know you see this hair, baby. It's giving natural. It's giving all mine. It's giving, baby. You are divine. Enchanté. Yes, baby. Now you guys know I love a good wiggy because I'm a wig girly, but this time I tried something a little different, y'all. Clip-ins. Yes, I decided to give clip-ins a try and do this super cute, super natural looking flip over method vibes, honey. So if you'd like to know more about this hair and you want to know all about this clip-ins, baby, then keep watching. Okay, so this hair is from Curlsqueen and this is the packaging. Okay, so we've got our essentials in here, a super cute brush, little travel package. We've got our bonnet and we've got some extra clips. Very thoughtful. Now this is their 20-inch water curly clip-in texture. I did get 2 packs because you know you grow extra and we like to be big and we like a lot of hair. So the curl is looking delicious and beautiful. I love it. Now, before installing the hair, I definitely love to co-wash it. And the hair feels amazing. In the water, I just use a bit of conditioner to co-wash. And this brush was actually amazing for detangling. I was very impressed. I loved it. So this is the hair after it's been washed. I did let it air dry partially before installing it. Now y'all, please do not come for me, okay? Because this braid up is the most prison braid situation that I had ever seen. But guess what? That's the beauty of clip-ins. Like, you don't really need to do the most beautiful, incredible braid up. Like, this can be quick, it can be fast, it can be time effective, especially for us mamas. Like, we just need something quick. So yes, that is my braid pattern. I've got the chunky doodle braids in the back that I've just now tucked in, and then the twist in the front is for my leave out. That's how I set it so that I can do a no heat leave out situation to match the hair perfectly. The clip-ins do come in like different sizes in the pack as well. You guys see I did get 2 packs, but there's like the 2 clips, the 3 clips, 4 clips, and the 5 clips, baby. And depending on the style that you want to do or the shape of your head or the size of your head, the clip-ins just have a lot of flexibility in terms of the different sizes to allow you to kind of play around with what's going to fit best where. So sometimes I laid a 4 beside a 2. No, I didn't do that actually. I would lay a 3 and a 3, baby, okay, to get a 6 over there. And I'm following the curvature of my head all the way up, and I'm laying them like somewhat close together because I do want to use most of the hair so that I can get a super full look. Now, once I got closer to the top, I actually took all my little twos and I placed them in horizontally. So I think I used about 3 to 4 pieces here. The hair they are like doubled. So this is definitely a lot of hair. Like depending how you like it, you probably could get away with like 1 pack, depending how much leave out you also do, because the wefts are doubled. And then I'm going in with one of the big kahuna faux. Is this a faux? I think it's a faux. And I'm going to just do that straight across the front, and that's going to be behind my leave out area. So once that is all clipped in, I'm kind of getting a feel for the volume. It's feeling like it's going to be really beautiful, really pretty, really big, really beautiful. So I had about like I think I had 4 or 5 pieces left over. So I roughly used like 2.5, 2 3/4 to achieve this much volume, oh, and then my light blue, y'all. Yeah, the light blue. So we had to switch it up and figure out some new lighting real quick. And after installing, now it's time for diffusing. You guys know I love a diffuser. This is what gives, I feel like, a supernatural look. Just gives you more volume, maximum volume. And then I took out my leave out in the front. And because I had done like a little flat twist, it helped to kind of already set it in a heatless way so that it would blend with this hair, darling. Oh, we're coming together. Okay. Let's just do a little bit of touch up on our edges. You guys know I'm not like a hardcore baby hair girly. I'm also like a 4C girly. Like, baby, I walk around and my edges be sweating out and all that. So like, God didn't make me to have my edges super duper laid, so I don't do too much baby hair, but I do a little every now and then, you know. But yes, y'all, one thing, wait, we gotta change it up. We gotta look cuter than this, because we gotta match the hair. Okay, earrings. Okay, little dress. Okay, feeling elevated, feeling fly, feeling free, feeling like it's mine growing from my scalp. Oh, baby. All right, y'all. Comment below. I want to know, guys, are you team clip-ins or team wig? But I am really feeling this right now, y'all. Like, elevated. And head on down to the description box below. So links and discount codes will be down below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, y'all. Ooh, it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to put, darling. All right, y'all. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.